We were having an issue where our stopper wouldn't stay up in the drain, and so I took the pivot rod out. And I have to say, this is the first time I've ever seen this before, where the other side of the pivot rod actually like corroded or rotted away. And when you buy these from the hardware store, you'll notice that there's two different sizes. So you'll want to get the one that matches yours, but they're very easy to replace. Okay, so the way that this works is this metal rod is called the pivot rod, and then this is the pivot ball. The pivot ball gets installed inside of the plumbing right here. There's this nut here that you screw on, and that secures the ball inside of the plumbing. So what you want to do is first you put your drain stopper back in, and then you want to install this. So you just take it like that, and you just want to put that in there and get that installed first. And then to be able to operate the stopper, you just put this guy in there. And before you use this clip to fasten in place. But before I do that, I like to test it out just to make sure it's working, because there's a few different holes you can use to adjust it. And so what I want to make sure is that it's working properly. You should be able to open the drain up and seal it completely. Okay, so yeah, this clip is supposed to sandwich this piece, this plastic piece that everything connects into. Like this. That should keep it in place nice and secure. Okay, and so then the last thing I do, just to make sure it's working properly, is I'll fill it up with a little bit of water. I just want to make sure that the stopper is actually stopping the water properly. It doesn't seem like any's going down the drain, so I think we're probably good. So yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen a pivot rod get rotted through like this, but at least now you know that if it happens, it's not really all that hard to fix. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.